Have you ever asked yourself, why am I always tired? You sleep, you rest, and yet you wake up without energy? Today I want to go deeper and talk about the reasons why we feel exhausted and how to break free from that cycle. Number 1, tiredness isn't always bad. First, let's be clear. Tiredness is not your enemy. Feeling tired at right time, like at night before sleep, it's a healthy signal from your body. The problem is when you feel tired all the time, especially during the day, when you're supposed to be fresh, alive, and focused. That's where something deeper is wrong. Number 2, the role of sleep and circadian rhythm. Our body are designed to be awake during the day and asleep at night. We are not night owls by nature. That's mostly a lifestyle choice. Scientifically, your body follows a circadian rhythm controlled by hormones like melatonin and cortisol. Melatonin rises in the evening to make you sleepy, and cortisol rises in the morning to wake you up. When you stay up late scrolling, watching, or working under artificial light, you confuse your system. Your hormones get out of the sync and you wake up drained. To fix it, go to bed earlier, sleep at night, not random hours, and wake up with the sun. If you want to get up early, like 5 a.m., you can use artificial lights to signal your brain that is daytime, and turn off all the light at night. Light has a huge effect on your biology. Number 3, balance your hormones. Energy is all about hormones. If your cortisol, melatonin, and serotonin are balanced, you feel alive. If they are out of balance, you feel tired, no matter how much you sleep. Morning sunlight. Boost your serotonin and set your internal clock. Cold shower in the morning. Shock your system, raise alertness, and reset your nervous system. Warm shower at night. Relax your muscles and prepare your body for rest. Number 4, nutrition and stimulants. What you eat directly affect on your energy. Processed food, heavy sugar, alcohol, all of these crash your system. Alcohol may make you sleepy at first, but scientifically it destroys the sleep quality, especially REM sleep, which restores your brain and wake you up foggy and not rested. Caffeine is powerful, but if you use it wisely, not afternoon. If you drink coffee late, you block melatonin and you'll ruin your night sleep. Instead, fuel your body with whole foods, protein, vegetables, complex carbs, healthy fats. Think of food as energy, not just comfort. Number 5, movement. One of the biggest reasons why you feel always tired is lack of movement. The less you move, the more you feel exhausted. Exercise, even light movement like walking, tells your body, I am alive. Move your body daily. It doesn't need to be a crazy workout. Just walk, stretch, or use your muscles. Stillness kills energy. Motion creates it. Number 6, psychology of tiredness. Now let's go deeper. Sometimes tiredness isn't physical at all. It's psychological. Decision fatigue. Too many small choices drain you. Mental load. Your brain never rests. Emotional exhaustion, carrying stress or grief without releasing it. Existential tiredness. The truth is, your brain consumes most of your daily energy. When you are emotionally or mentally exhausted, your body feels physically tired too. Number 7, how to outsmart yourself. Your body naturally resists effort. It wants safety and comfort. That's why you procrastinate or feel lazy. And the trick is not to fight it, but to deceive it in small steps. Break tasks into tiny, double pieces. Start with 5 minutes. When you begin, momentum carries you forward. Energy is created by action, not waiting for motivation. Being tired isn't always something to fix. Sometimes it's a message. Your lifestyle, your habit, your hormones is out of balance. So sleep at night, wake up with the day, use light wisely, take cold shower in the morning and warm shower at night, avoid alcohol and late caffeine, eat healthy, move your body, and most importantly, listen to your body. You are not meant to drag yourself into life exhausted. You are meant to feel alive, alert, and present. And finally, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please share me your idea in the comments below, and please subscribe the channel to help me to create more contents for you.